Hello, my name is Malia Morales, and welcome to today's screencast for the Global Red Cross Network headquarters. This intercultural guide of Switzerland will prepare you for the interaction with the local citizens. This presentation will allow you to teach other members of our team what you have learned while you're out in the field educating the locals in rural communities about proper natural disaster procedures. Switzerland is a very beautiful place with a diverse population. The four official languages that are used are German, French, Italian, and Romansh, all varying depending on what part of the country you are visiting. In addition, other than Switzerland being notoriously famous for their cheese and chocolates, the country is filled with very friendly people in that they almost always say hello, "Can I help you?" or "Have a good night." It is nice to say hello back, even if it is just a wave. The country is composed of many beautiful mountains, rolling hills, plains, and large lakes. There are so many outdoor activities to participate in, such as skiing, hiking, paddleboarding, and the list goes on. In Switzerland, the stores are usually only open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., Mondays through Saturdays, and they are closed for an additional hour for a 12 to 1 lunch break. You will have to plan accordingly when you go to the store because unlike the USA, you will not be able to go whenever it is convenient for you. They are very invested on keeping the country clean. They were voted the most environmentally friendly country in the world according to Yale's University 2012 Environmental Performance Index. Make sure you do your part and recycle. Lastly, they are very punctual. Early is on time and on time is late. The locals like to greet friends with 3 light kisses on the cheeks, and they give each other 3 more kisses when saying goodbye. If you're in a business setting or meeting someone formally, you make eye contact and firmly shake their hand. Make sure you recall their names because it will go a long way and it shows professionalism. In addition, do not call any time after 9 p.m. because it is considered rude and relaxation time. Lastly, whenever you are hiking, which will be more likely than not, it is very important to say hello to fellow hikers as you are passing, or else you are considered rude. Hiking is a national sport in Switzerland, and it is taken very seriously. You will be responsible for knowing what kinds of natural disasters happen in your area. In general, Switzerland is often affected by heavy rainfall, which can lead to mudslides, landslides, floods, and avalanches. Wildfires can also occur. You are expected to know the proper procedures that take place if any one of these events occur. You are also expected to know how to educate the local authorities, hospitals, and citizens specifically in rural areas on how to follow these procedures and give them the proper tools to assist them in case of an emergency. We are focusing on rural areas for this particular project because they are usually not located near neighbors to help them in case of an emergency situation. I hope this slidecast gives you enough information to go to Switzerland and feel confident with the cultural change. If you can remember the cultural norms, how to communicate with the locals, and your personal role, I have no doubt that you will be successful and enjoy yourself through this journey. If you have any questions, feel free to contact your team leader at the Red Cross Network headquarters or the headquarters directly. Thank you so much for watching.